How to uninstall Uber Eats on iPhone. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and now you want to remove this app for some reason and you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, find the Uber Eats application on your mobile screen, just like this. Then keep on tapping onto this app, just like this. Then here you can find remove app, now tap on it. Then here you can find delete app, select it. Now once again confirm to delete the Uber apps, select to delete. And like this you can see the app has been uninstalled and removed from this mobile phone. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall Uber Eats on iPhone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.